Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add related products to your Shopify cart drawer. So the process is easy. Go to your Shopify admin store and go to this left panel and click on online store. Of course, there are two options to do so. The first option, if you're not using any application. If you're not using an application, you can go as an example to edit theme right here. And this will take you to your theme. In the left panel, go and click on this settings icon. And from here, scroll down to a little bit to the bottom and you will find cards. Go and click on that. And here's an example. You will find the collection, which means as an example shown where cards drawer is empty. So as an example, every single products that you choose here through this collection as example will appear in your cart when nothing is there. So that's how you add some related products. So you can go and click on select, and normally you find an example here, one per default, but you can go and create your own collection. So from here, you can go and add your collection either manually or smart. Manually means that you will add products to this collection one by one. So the products that you want, depending on the products that you have listed into your store. But if you choose this smart option, this is a little bit better, specifically if you don't have some specific products to put in your drawer cart, or if you change like products periodically, because this will do, what will do, it means existing and future products that match the condition you set will automatically be added to the collection. So you can choose the one that you want. You can set as example a title, a description if you want to, basically this collection. So you can choose it from there, and you can choose here a condition if you choose the smart. If you choose the smart as example, so which products that's gonna meet this condition to be added to the cart. If you want to add this manually, if you have some certain products, you will find here all the list of the products that you have, and you will be able to add them manually. As I said, this is if you're using the built-in cart. So the other option, if you're using an app, if you're using an app like me, maybe as example this one, so maybe I'm using this cart app, you can go and click on manage app. From that app as example, you will be able to add this option. So for the app that I'm using here, which is Cactus, which is a cart drawer, as you can see from here, I can go and click on edit cart. And once I click on that, I'll find myself on this page. And on this left panel, I can enable and disable some stuff. If I go and enable this upsells option, as you can see on the right panel here, they will add some recommended products that will be added per default as example into this cart. As you can see, it's that simple. I can just go and save the changes, and I can go here and make sure that I enable the app so it will be added to my store. So once I finish, click on save at the top right corner and I should be good to go. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.